Okay, so let us take a look at how to solve for this question. So what this says that we should find the value of m from the diagram. So we're looking for this m. Now there are several ways we can go about this question. One way to do this is I can decide to extend this line over here like this, and so I extend this line over here. I can extend this over here, and I can extend this over here too. Okay. So now with these extensions, now this, since this is parallel to this, it means that this angle and this angle over here are corresponding angles. So this is M and this is M. Then now since I have this and this over here two being two parallel lines, then it means that this over here is also going to be M. They are also corresponding angles. And I can have this over here to be 40 degree. So I have this to be 40 degree. Then I can have this over here to be 180 minus M. So I can do 40 plus 80 plus 180 minus m is equal to 180. That is from the triangle over here. I can do that to get my answer. That is one way to solve this, but that is not what I'm going to do. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to introduce a third parallel line. So I'm going to introduce a third line over here, like this. And this third line is parallel to this and this. Now, from this third parallel line, now I can get my Z shape. So this is a Z shape over here. So you can see the Z shape. So it means that this angle over here alternates with this. So therefore, this angle is 80 degree. Now take note, the 140 is for the whole thing. Okay. So if 140 is for the whole thing and this part over here is 80, then it means that the remaining is supposed to be for the other side. So therefore, this part is going to be 60. So that if I do 60 plus the 80, I get 140. So now I have the two angles over there, and I'm looking for the value of the angle M. So with this, I can have my diagram like this. So I have something like this, where this alternates with that, and this is the remaining angle over here. That is going to be the 60. So now since this over here is 60, again I can have an alternate angle. So another Z shape. So I have this Z shape over here. So it means that this alternates with this. So therefore this angle over here is also 60. And since I have this line over here being parallel to this line, it means that these two angles over here, that is this and this, are co-interior angles. So I have the 60 and the M over here as co-interior angles. So you can see I have the two parallel lines and I have the transversal line. And these two over here are co-interior. So for co-interior angles, they are supplementary angles, meaning they sum up to 180 degree. So therefore the 60 over here plus the M is supposed to give me 180. So I solve for the M to get M is equal to 120 degree.